I'll show you how to enter Manage Climate Control menu in the beginning. Take a look at the screen display, and now go to Climate Control by pressing this button. Now you will enter shortcut Climate Control. Then go to Settings. Here you've got full access to Climate Control. Now you can turn front and rear climate control on or off, manage air conditioner, and all standard AC functions. Also, you can enable max AC, max heating, refresh energy saving mode, intelligent cleaning, smart air ventilation, air purification, steering wheel heating, and seat ventilation. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.